Ooh. I'll help you get it out. What is that? Let's see.
You can rip it.
Neat.
Grab it. Grab it right here.
That's awesome.
There you go. Grab it.
There's that. Wow, look at all this. He's gonna love this.
Ooh, what's that one, Jack? Don't know what all do with all that good stuff, huh?
Going after all of his toys.
Are those books in there, buddy? Or is it the big book?
I think it's a Touch and Teach workbook.
Ooh. Pull that paper off, Jack. There you go. Yeah.